Hello everybody, this is my first video since before the quarantine, and I just wanted to come back with a bang. Won't have any new comics for a couple of weeks, but hopefully that stuff will be picking up towards the end of May. So right now I did get a little package from UPS just now that I thought I'd try to do a live unboxing. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I don't know if anyone's going to see this or not, but here goes. Bear with me. I'm very excited. Ooh. It's exciting. So there were 2,000 of these made. I don't know if that's including the limited edition ones or just the regular edition. But surprisingly, I got number 373, which is a fairly low number, at least the bottom half, so kind of excited. I'm not a big number worried about that sort of thing, but this is very exciting. So I'm not sure what was seen. Let's flip it over, but here it is. It's X-Men from Sideshow, and for the big ta-da, so there it is. For any of you who know me, you know Rogue is one of my all-time favorite characters, period, from any sort of fiction, so there's a nice little warning in here with a fancy Sideshow label telling me to use caution during assembly. Well, I suppose the first thing would be to slide it completely out of the box before cutting the tape. There's a nice big label that says top on that side of the box, so clearly it's the side you want up. I've opened statues at the shop a bunch, but I've never done this one this big. For this fancy. Oh, here we go. Whew. It's in more pieces than I was expecting. Start off, obviously, with the base. It's really nice details. It's got that really nice, oh, everything's backwards. Awesome. Let's see if I can flip that. So it's got Rogue, it's got the number on there. Checking to see if there's a instruction book. I don't see one. So here's the armature for the danger room setting. that Rogue snaps into. So you've got, you know, your base there, and the wires are actual wires. They're flexible, posable, a couple different spaces. This buzzsaw is really cool. And let's see. I feel like I'm missing something here. Oh. These actual bolts. I guess that makes sense. Oh no, they're just plastic. There we go. Okay. That was just the plastic. So there's a whole little strap of fake little bolts to wire in. I won't bore everyone with that. So here's the body. It's got a peg there for the other hand, and I guess that's the anchor to go into the side of the saw right here. And the jacket's actually, this is the Maquette, so it's an actual fabric jacket. Feels like there's some wire in there to maybe pose it a little bit. Wow, she fits in there nice and solid. There's that other free hand. Snaps right on there with the magnetic lock. Now for the piece, the final piece rather. Got the head sculpt. That's a really great expression. It's not quite exactly how I picture Rogue, but it's really good. And who am I to complain when this thing looks this good? So there it is. I'll take some nice shots to go with this, or when I get it on the place it's going to be displayed, do like a pan around or something. But there it is. Bring the camera in nice and close. It's a great looking piece. So there we go. Rogue Sideshow Maquette. Here, done. And I'm gonna set it up where it belongs and will stay on display. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I can edit this down a little bit so it's not just me bending over a box for 20 minutes, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.